In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Photos account. Before we begin, it's important to understand one key detail. You can't actually delete only Google Photos as a separate account because Google Photos is connected directly to your main Google account. So if your goal is to completely remove the account behind Google Photos, you would need to go to your Google account settings, then open the data and privacy section, and from there choose the option to delete your Google account. This is a major action because it affects more than just photos. It can also impact other Google services connected to that same account. So make sure you're absolutely certain before doing that. If you don't want to delete your full Google account, the better option for most people is simply to stop Google Photos from backing up your pictures and videos. This is usually what people mean when they say they want to delete their Google Photos account. And in many cases, they really just want to stop syncing new content to the cloud. To do that, open Google Photos and look for your profile icon, usually in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your account menu. From there, find the backup setting and turn backup off. Once this is disabled, Google Photos will stop automatically uploading new photos and videos from your device. This is a good option if you want to keep using your Google account but no longer want Google Photos saving your media online. There's also another option if you want to disconnect an account from Google Photos on your device. Start by tapping your profile icon again, then go to Manage Accounts. This will show the Google accounts connected on the device. Choose the account you want to remove from Google Photos, then tap Remove. This does not necessarily delete the entire Google account itself, but it removes that account from the app on your device, which can be useful if you're switching accounts or no longer want that account linked there. So to quickly summarize, if you want a full removal, you'll need to delete the entire Google account through the data and privacy settings. If you just want Google Photos to stop saving your media, turn off backup. And if you want to disconnect the account from the app, go to Manage Accounts and remove it from your device. Take your time with these options so you choose the one that matches what you actually want to do.